Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about a best free screen recorder which will be for low-end device. So I will tell you how to download it and how to use it. So watch the video carefully till the end without skipping. This is the screen recorder. Its name is VSDC free screen recorder and it is totally free and you will not see any ad. It is very easy to use and very fast. So first of all I am going to tell you how to download it. You will find its link in the description. Click on this link. After that an interface like this will appear in front of you. Find the verify button, here you can see, then click on verify. Here you can see a few seconds are going on, so you have to wait this much. When these seconds are over, then you have to click get link. Then scroll down, fully scroll down. Then find the button continue, click on continue. Then here you can see please wait. After some wait, click on continue. Remove the ad. After that here you can see verify again, then click on verify. After that you can see a few seconds are going on, then wait for some seconds. When these seconds are over, then scroll down, fully scroll down, find the button continue and click on continue. After that a few seconds are going on, again you have to wait. When these seconds are over, then scroll down, fully scroll down, then find the button continue, click on continue again. Then wait for 1 second. Then click on get link. Here you can see free fast screen recorder. Then click on download. Then go to download list. Here you can see it's downloading. It has been downloaded. Now it has been installed. So click on show in folder. Then click on free screen recorder. Double click on it. Then click on OK. Then click on next. Then click on I accept the agreement. Here you can see, then click on next, then again next, 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 again next. Click on install. Here you can see it's installing. Then remove all windows. Then click on finish. Minimize this, and here you can see it's installed successfully. Then click on it, double click on it. Then here you can see, here it will appear here, double click on it. Then an interface like this will appear in front of you. Click start recording for screen recorder. Here you can see all settings, game capturing, camera, screen recording, screenshot. Your screen recording will appear, open outful folder. Then your screen recorder will appear here. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to this channel so that you can continue getting such helpful videos in future also. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.